welcome to my first video. Spring has finally arrived, and it's time to embrace the beauty of the English countryside. So, what exactly is slow living? It's about finding joy in the everyday and appreciating the small things in life. It's about living in the now, rather than always looking ahead to the future, and appreciating the simple pleasures that surround us. Slow living is all about taking a step back from the hustle of everyday life.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.